thousands of devotees welcomed the birth of Paramatma in a celebration of boundless happiness at Jamnagar. The 2623rd Janma Kalyanak of Bhagwan Mahavir was marked with enthusiastic performances by Lukanlan kids and inspiring discourse by Param Sambodhiji Mahasati and the auto rickshaw project creating impact across Rajkot, Ahmedabad and Kutch was now introduced in Jamnagar in the presence of numerous dignitaries. A spectacular stage performance में पहचान न पाया.
वितरागीता से प्रेम है मन में धीर है तीर्थंकर है ये प्रभु महावीर है.
The 14 auspicious streams seen by Mother Trishla were followed by the most awaited moment celebrating the birth of Paramatma.
जन्मे महावीर जन्मे महावीर जन्मे महावीर तीर्थंकर